what's cooking good looking?
I was just scrolling on Facebook like any old person would, and I came across a group with almost 400,000 members, all collectively helping each other make the best fried chicken recipe. Then I saw this post. He's selling a fried chicken recipe for approximately $3. So going about my common sense, this should be better than any of what you see on YouTube because those are free and this is paid. So I put on my suit and negotiated like a true businessman.
May I buy for 100?
Yes.
Okay, how procedure?
Procedure is indicate on files.
You send file first or I pay first?
I'll send first.
And then I scammed him and ghosted him forever. Nah, I'm just joking. Some parts of the recipe I bought is just absurd, like it doesn't make any sense. For every kilogram of chicken you're gonna prepare, you're gonna need 3.5 liters of water. I'm preparing 2 kilograms for myself, so this is gonna be 7 liters of water. I'm not really sure if you need this much to effectively brine a chicken, but they're the experts here. I hope the fridge can handle this much weight because this is heavy as balls. Then they ask for a bulb of garlic for every kilogram of chicken you're gonna brine, which I think is... Nope. Chicken water just splashed everywhere. Then for every kilogram of chicken, you need 2 tablespoons of salt. So I put 4 in mine. With that, the brine is done. Call this the hero brine. Now, according to my calculation, this is a 1% saline solution, which is incredibly low. I even saw some other recipes going for 10%. Maybe it's that way because we're gonna give it 24 hours anyway. Now, in the meantime, I can make the secret Colombian powder mix. I already know it's gonna be good because this person was asking for half a kilo of MSG. I don't intend to supply the whole country with products, so I'm just gonna make 1/4 of that. 125 grams of MSG, 125 grams of this flavor seasoning mix, which is basically just MSG with all the other flavors, 15 grams of curry powder. This is one of the secrets in the fried chicken community. I haven't seen other recipes or tutorials in YouTube using curry powder, and all I've ever heard about it are positive things, so this is really exciting. 15 grams of garlic powder, smoked paprika, oregano, 15 grams of black pepper. This took me like 20 minutes of continuous grinding.
Hasn't even been a gram yet.
And that's the powder mix done.
24 hours later.
Here's the chicken after 24 hours. I noticed that the chicken smell is gone. It used to kind of smell like feet before, but now it just smells like nothing, which is kind of sad. For each kilogram of chicken, you need a tablespoon of the powder mix earlier and also a tablespoon of... This will marinate in the fridge for another 24 hours. So that makes it 50 hours to make this chicken. I hope it's worth it. Here's what the chicken looks like after 24 hours. Since it's kind of yellow now, I can assume that the flavors penetrated deeply. Now for the breading, this dude wanted a kilogram of flour and 12 tablespoons of corn starch for 1 kilo of chicken, which is too freaking much. I don't get why you need this much flour to coat some chicken. He also said that 3rd class flour is enough.
3rd class? Who the frick do you think I am?
Yeah, if I just knew where to find some 3rd class flour, I would buy some. Why is flour so expensive anyway? Wasn't the agricultural revolution like a million years ago?
Bro, shut the frick up and just cook, man.
I'm not a visitor, I swear. This part's really weird to me. It's a dry, wet, dry batter. That means you dip in powder, liquid, then powder again. What's weird about this is that the liquid part is just cold water. I have never seen that before.
The chickens are ready for frying.
I'm using canola oil and use the chopstick to see if it's ready. Introduce the chicken into the oil. My phone overheated and just gave up. I just fried it for 12 minutes until it was golden brown like me.
Now here's the chicken.
Let me just move this out of the way. Is it just me or does this chicken look a bit cartoonish or AI generated? Kinda looks like my ballsack. And this one looks like the USA. What the frick? Do you see that? Enough edging. Time to dig in. Alright. Here goes something. Look how freaking juicy that is. It's not the crispiest chicken I've ever tried, but it is the juiciest chicken I've ever tried. The flavors are subtle, and the chicken is the main character here. It's like when you say, I want some fried chicken, and this is what I imagine it to be. You can eat a lot of this chicken. There's no overbearing flavors that's gonna prevent you to. That's what I noticed in Jollibee. There's this dominant flavor that's gonna make you stop eating at around 2. I'm not saying it's better than Jollibee though. Jollibee's still the GOAT. It's just a really good piece of chicken, dude. Here's my live review of the chicken. Sorry for the bad English. It's not my first language. The batter feels Alright, conclusion time. Is it worth the 50 hours? I don't think so, no. You can probably get almost the same result in like 12 hours. Put more salt in the brine so the protein breaks down faster and you're good. Hello, future Vicky here. I've just made the rest of the fried chicken I had left and I think I improved it with my prior fried chicken knowledge. I mean, look at this. It looks crispier, flakier, and less AI generated. I mean, look at this freaking thing. It's beautiful, man. And all I did was add some flour mixed to the water, the wet part of the breading process. That's one of the best chicken you can make at home. I'll write down the improved recipe down below. Alright, that's about it.
Just wanted to let you know. Subscribe down below.